Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be using some new Luxaza makeup. So we have one of their highlight sticks and one of their contour sticks. We're going to be using these together on my face. I was kindly sent these from Luxaza themselves. They reached out to me and wanted to send me some products. So I went ahead and chose some of the cream eyeshadows, which we're going to be using as well. But we do have some face products. We have some new cream eyeshadows to play with. These are so stunning. Let me show you guys right now. Literally comes with the color cream shade as well as a little brush, and I love these. They honestly really blew it out of the park for me, but the journey was interesting. You want to see how I got these on my eye, how I create this look, and how the face products worked? Just keep on watching. Alright, so as you can see, I went ahead and filled in my brows already, and I set my lid as well. Now we can get into the fun stuff. So first off, we have this pack right here from Luxaza. This is a color stick set, and basically these are just a bunch of cream shadows, and they are so cool. I'm gonna show you guys why, but yeah, it comes with a couple in here. It says beyond what you want, and then it tells you the ingredients on the back, the warnings, manufacturer, address. Literally all the information is on the back of this box, which is really convenient. It even tells you when it expires, so that is so awesome. Again, really love this packaging. It is so cute. You guys know my favorite color is purple, and yeah, this is just the most beautiful packaging. And let's just get into what is inside. I also forgot to mention they are cruelty free as well, so just so you guys, just throwing that out there. So this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, we get a couple of shades here to choose from, and we're gonna have so much fun throwing these on. So we literally get 6 shadow sticks in here, and they all have various colors and finishes as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. They also all come with their own little brush on the bottom, and it just looks so cool. Let me give you guys an up close at the products, and they honestly feel not cheapy at all. The actual packaging is really nice. Let me give you guys an up close at this. Look at how stunning this is. Even the top part is really pretty. I really like that it has the brand name front and center, and then you also get your own little brush to blend out the shadow. I really am loving this. Let's go ahead and get started with swatches. So basically you take off the top, you twist, and the product moves on up. So how stunning is this? So first off, we have the first one, which is in 124 Peach Blush Shimmer. Look at how stunning that is. So beautiful. So next we have this more pinky one right here. Oh, this is stunning. We have the shade 125 Rose Elegance, and this is more of a matte kind of moment. It's really pretty. Definitely something that I would go for. I love me a good pink shadow. It's just so cute. So yes, this is such a beautiful pink as well. I have another shimmer shade. This one looks really pretty. Next swatch is in 153 Apricot Brandy Shimmer. So stunning, and it looks like it's gonna go great with that pink shadow as well. Next, it looks like we have another matte shade. Girl, these shades look so beautiful. So this next shade is called Argan Oil in 154. We have another shimmer shade. Next one is in 155 Arabesque Shimmer. All of these are so beautiful. And lastly, we have another matte shade. So basically this set comes with 3 matte shades and 3 shimmer shades. The last shade is in 156 Emperador, and those are all the shades together. And there's a look at all the colors together. These are so nice. Again, the packaging is 10 out of 10. So lovely. Love the tops. Everything just feels really nice, and I really love the color selection as well. So first off, we're going to take the shade Peach Blush Shimmer in 124. I also forgot to show you guys the little brush on the bottom. Look at that. So cool. Yeah, it's really nice and soft. So what I'm going to do with this shade here, I'm going to go ahead and throw it on the inner corner. So I'm just going to swipe it on. Wow, even just swiping it like that, you get some pigment. Whoa, I kind of went intense on the other side. So I'm just placing the color, and I'm taking their brush and just tapping this shade out and on the edges so it can blend nicely. Oh, that blended out so nicely, and it definitely opened up the eyes a lot more. All right, so we do have two brown matte shades. So we have the shade Emperor, girl, I can't say this, Emperador, and then we have Argan Oil. I kind of want to go for Argan Oil or even our matte pink. Let's try the matte pink for now. Let's take the shade Rose Elegance next. And you know what? You don't even need brushes like on the side or anything, because it literally, they all come with their own little brush. So that is so cool. And let's just get into this color. I'm basically just going to kind of swipe it here on the outer corner, just the way that I would do a transition shade, and just blend it out with the brush that it comes with. I love that they all come with their own little brush. This was really nice and creamy as well, and literally they blend out like butter. They're so nice. Okay, girl. Okay, let's see if they build up. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little more on the pink side and blend that in as well. That looks so pretty. Even if you just want to stop here and throw a wing on or whatever, you're good, girl, because these are so nice and creamy. Next, taking this shade here, which is in Argan Oil, and I'm just going to take that on the outer corner right here so we can start deepening out this outer corner with this brown shade. It looks really stunning. I kind of want to see how they layer. Just kind of tapping it once again with the little brush. I love that the colors are not super intense where it's like taking over the whole eye. They're just kind of blending out nicely and effortlessly. They're really nice. And then taking a little on this side as well. I kind of want to see how it blends out with another brush as well, just to see if that helps. Just kind of taking no product on the brush. The products I already have on my lid to kind of blend everything out. Yeah, you could even use your own brushes to blend these out. So pretty. Then we have two more shimmer shades to play with. So I think I'm going to take both of them. Let's take Arabesque Shimmer on like the inner portion of the lid right here. And with the shimmer shades, I'm definitely just blending out the edges and not the product itself, because it will make it like rub away. So be careful with that. But this is a really pretty color. Also taking the other shimmer, which is in the shade Apricot Brandy Shimmer on like the middle section of the eye. This one definitely packs more of a punch. It's a little darker. So it's really nice. And then with this, I'm just blending out the edges again. Alright guys, so this is what I have going on using 5 of the sticks. We are going to use the darkest one on the lower lash line. But how stunning are these? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. What are you going to pick them up, girl? Because these are really nice. We're going to move on to their cream products. Let me go ahead and throw on some foundation and all of that good stuff, and then we'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and threw on some lashes, a wing, some foundation, a primer, all of that good stuff. Next, we're ready to get into the cream products. So I do have 2 cream products here. We have a contour stick and a highlight stick from Luxaza, and both of them, I really love the packaging. I love this light pink moment, and again, it tells you what it is right in the front, and on the bottom we do get the shade colors. Both of them are in 02. How stunning are these? Again, you do get the expiration date on the side, and all the information you need to know is on the back of the boxes. So it's really well informed. In the back, you even get their email, their Facebook. It literally tells you how to store it. So really amazing. It even gives you instructions as well. We're gonna go ahead and get into the contour stick. Again, this one here is in 02. And look at how stunning this packaging is. It's so cute. And it gives you the brand name right in the front, Luxaza. How cute is that? These products don't come with their own brushes, but look at how stunning this color is. Ooh, go ahead and swatch it for you guys. This one here is in 02, more on the contour kind of side. So we're gonna go ahead and use this on the face. So what I like to do with my contour sticks, I take it right here, the cheekbone area, some on the forehead as well. Gonna do the same thing on this side. Maybe if you want to contour your nose, you could even take it right here alongside the bridge of your nose and just do that. And even if you want to contour your chin, you can do that as well. Just don't forget to blend it out, girl. Taking one of my brushes that I always use, I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending. And when I blend my contour or like bronzer out, I like to tap it into the skin, and you can see this blends out really easily. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the forehead contour. Don't forget to blend out the chin. And look at how easily it's blending. Just a couple taps blends out. Let's do the nose. And just like that, a couple taps away and you are contoured, girl. Next, we're gonna get into the highlighter stick. Again, this one is also in 02. It's more on the purpley kind of side, so that's why I wore purple today. So I was so excited about this. So again, same kind of moment, has the brand name right in the front, Luxaza, and it does tell you on the bottom it is a highlight. So there's a look at this product. Now that I'm looking at it, it's not even purple, but it's so cute still. So this is more on, oh, this is really pretty, like a champagne-y kind of color. Ooh, way better than what I expected. I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush and take some of the product on there. Ooh, that is stunning. It's not a glittery highlight at all. Literally looks like your skin but better kind of glow. Really pretty. Even if you don't like powder your skin, you just want to throw on highlight, or if you don't do any makeup at all, you just throw on some highlight, throw on a little bit of the shimmer sticks on the lid, and you're ready to go, girl. So this is so beautiful. You don't even have to do the whole, you know, shebang. These are really nice and very subtle kind of moment. It's really cute. I'm just gonna throw some on the other side now, and look at how easily it's blending as well. Ooh. So you guys saw both of the cream products on the face. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on all the other products that I throw on my face, girl. It's so much. And we're gonna come back and throw a little bit of this color on the lower lash line. So we're not done yet, girl. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so as you can see, everything else is on. Lastly, we're gonna go ahead and throw on a little bit of this stick right here. This is the one in Emperador. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is the darkest one. I went ahead and threw in a little bit of black liner on my lower lash line. We're gonna take this with its own little like brush, and we're gonna see if we can blend this out on the lower lash line. All right, just applying it right over top of that liner, and I'm just gonna blend it out with the little brush that it comes with. I am taking the same brush that I used on the upper lash line, and I'm just gonna use that to blend out the lower lash line as well. All right, guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I was so excited to hear from Luxaza. Them wanting to send me products was so amazing. If you guys have been on my channel for, I don't know, like the span of like what, 2 years, I actually have spoken about Luxaza before. I have one of their eyeshadow palettes and I love it, and I always talked about it. I talk about them. I still have the palette till this day. It's still in my collection. So I really like the formula of the eyeshadow palette, but I have to say I had so much fun using these today. I literally use every single color of these shadow sticks, and yeah, so you saw for yourself how these blended out, the colors, the swatches, and everything. So now you have a choice if you want to pick these up. They're going to be linked down below, and these are really nice, and I believe they do come in this set as well, and they're just so pretty. Love the packaging. The colors were stunning, and the actual look actually came out really nice. For the like face products, the cream contour and highlight were really nice as well. I am really loving how the highlight looked. It looked really nice and natural, really nice like glow from within look moment. I really love that. Also like the contour stick. If you want to go in for like a sculpted kind of face, you definitely can go in with the contour stick, and it'll definitely get the job done. So I really like everything that I tried today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and again, do check out my description box. I have all the links to everything in that section. And then that's it. That's everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.